Next technique we want to show you is the sectioning tool, where some of the templates refer to the sectioning tool. You'll see this one here, TCC transcript, uses this template here, and you'll see best results with area selector. Now, this is something that's useful in many cases, right? So, but some users may not be familiar with what the area selector is. Now, let's go ahead and click this dotted region here. This will, you'll see an X mark appear with your cursor. And what you can do is actually select just subsets of the page, right? Get a nice selection with courses in it, right? And then you can process subsections of the file. So you'll see I just processed these 3 terms. This can be useful in a lot of cases. Sometimes, like in this case, the transcript actually does better with the selection. Now we can clear this. I'll show you another selection here. Selector. Select the courses that you want. Go ahead and process them. Okay. So, like I said, some transcripts actually do better with the selector. But the other major reason to try the selector is that you can get just 1 term or 2 terms of courses. Sometimes you're getting a second or third transcript from the same school, and really you just want to finish out the transcript. You really just want a few terms. So try the selector tool.